Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Sharma. In this video, I will explain the J.J. Thomson cathode ray discharge tube experiment. In 1897, British physicist J.J. Thomson measured the ratio of electrical charge of electron to the mass of electron by using cathode ray tube. The experimental findings of this experiment is explained in detail. The experimental setup or the apparatus used for the determination of charge to mass ratio, that is E by m of the electron, is given here. The electrical field and the magnetic field just perpendicular to the path of the electrons, and this is the fluorescent screen where you can find the location of the spot. When the cathode ray or the beam of electron pass towards in the presence of electrical field or in the presence of magnetic field or in the presence of both electrical or magnetic field, by the adjustment we can identify different spots which is located here at the point A, B and C. In our explanation, I will explain how we can get the point A, how we can get the spot at point B and spot at point C on the fluorescent screen. So the main postulates are: J.J. Thomson was able to determine E by m for the electron by using a cathode ray discharge tube. He applied electrical and magnetic field perpendicular to each other as well as the path of the electrons. Greater the magnitude of the charge on the particle, greater is the deflection. Lighter the particle, greater the deflection. In contrary, in the opposite say, we can say that heavier the particle, smaller the deflection. Deflection increases with increasing the strength of the electrical or magnetic field. When only electric field is applied, magnetic field absent, the electron deviates from their path and hit at the point A, and you will get the spot at point A. When only magnetic field is applied, electric field absent, the electrons deviate from their path and hit at the point C. In absence of both electrical and magnetic field, no deviation takes place and hit at the point B. So this is the experimental observations performed by J.J. Thomson for determining charge to mass ratio for the electron. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much.